Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to create a visual private server completely for free for 1 year. So stay tuned to the end. And if you're a forex trader, I have a forex robot for you that works accurately well. It doesn't fail and it works 99.7%. So if you need this robot, just comment below or watch the above videos. You can see the history of my trade and how it went. It went perfectly well. So if you need this robot, just comment down below. On my next video, I'll be posting the best 5 methods of earning profitably from the forex market. Okay, the first thing to do is to click the link at my description, the first link there, and it will take you to this page. Or go to your browser and search AWS. Go to their website and it will take you to this page, which is Amazon Web Service. Then click the create AWS account link and fill in your root email address, that is your address. Then the name that you want to use to create this account. Just put your email there and put your account name, your AWS account name. So in this video we are using AWS to create this VPS. Note that. So after putting your email address and your username there, you click the verify email address. After putting your email address and your account name, then you click the verify email address. A link will be sent to your mailbox. In that link there is a number there, so put the number in this verification code and click verify to verify your email address. And after that your email will be successfully verified. Okay, now you add the root user password. That is a password that you can use to log into your account anytime. Just put a password that you can easily remember. Then you click continue to the next step. There are 5 steps. We are still in step 1, so let's be fast with this. Continue. Okay, it's like my password is having a problem. If this password is publicly known through a data set linked from it. Okay, let's try another password again. I think this password is too public. Let's try another password again. Something that is very, very strong, that you can remember, but it's very, very strong. So let me change the password and add a number to it. Alright, we are done with that. So it's time to add our contact information. That is your full name, your number, the country, your address and all. So just choose personal. For the contact information, just choose personal for your own project, and then fill in your details like your phone name, your phone number, your country, your address, your state, your postal code and the rest of them. Don't forget to change your phone number, country code and add your number there. After having filled your informations, you put your postal code and accept the terms and conditions before you click continue. Okay, now we are on the billing information page. In this page, you have to drop your card details. It is to verify if you are a human being or a robot. So do it freely. And if you know your card is not being accepted or they are declining your card, please just drop a comment below and I'll help you out with that. Now after putting your details, click verify and continue. Now in this page, put your country again and the phone number you used in registering at the first time. Now verify the security check, then click send SMS. Now a code will be sent to you to the SIM you used to verify. Put the code here and continue. Now we are almost done with this. Just choose the basic support free and click continue, and you'll be taken to a new page, which is congratulations. So you are done with your creating of Amazon account. It's time to create the VPS. Okay, the first thing to do here is to go to the Amazon management console. Just click on this button right here, and you'll be taken to a sign in or login page. Yeah, so choose root user, not I am a user. Just choose root user and click the email address you use in creating your account, then click next. Right here you put your password. Don't forget the password you used to create the account. Put the password here and continue. Now you'll be taken to the home page. This is the Amazon home page, the AWS home page. So after getting to this page, it's time to create our VPS. So pay attention very well. Just go to the search bar and search for EC2. Then EC2 will pump up. Now go to EC2 dashboard by clicking dashboard, and you'll be taken to EC2 page. So this is EC2 page. Right here we are launching a new instance. So look for instance and click the launch instance button, and you'll be taken to a new page. In this page we are going to set up this instance, and by doing that you click the name and you put the name you want to use to launch this instance. You might put a VPS or your name or RDP. Let's just put RDP VPS for this name. After that you go down and choose the system you want to be creating. Right now we are creating a Windows Microsoft system, not a Mac system or an Ubuntu system. We are creating a Windows. So click the Windows system. Click the Windows system and continue. If you can see very well, let's go back. Okay, if you can see very well, it is a free tier eligible, so it is free for 12 months. Alright, the next step is to create a key pair. So scroll down and click on create key pair button. This key pair is used to create our password, so it's very important. Right here you put your key pair name and choose .pem file. Make sure it's .pem file. Okay, look at it there, .pem file. Then you create your key pair, and it will be downloaded to your file. Make sure it's safe. It's safely downloaded to your file. So when the time comes you need it to create your password, just have it downloaded to your file. So just scroll down and allow HTTPS traffic from the internet, and also allow HTTP traffic from the internet. So after allowing those two, scroll down till you get to launch instance. Leave other settings the way they are. Just scroll down till you get to launch instance, and you click the launch instance button. Okay, we are there. Just click on the launch instance button and your instance will be launched in seconds. Just hold on and see. Alright, our instance has been launched successfully. So let's go back to the instance or the EC2 dashboard and see if it's running. So let's go back to the EC2 dashboard. Okay, you can see here our instance, our RDP1 instance is running successfully. So let's connect it to our mobile phone. Click on the connect button that is above on the screen, and you'll be taken to a page. Okay, click on the RDP client tab, then connect using RDP client. So right here we have to take our username, our password, and the IP address. So first of all, let's copy the IP address. The public DNS is known as your IP address or your host name or sometimes your PC name, so they are the same thing. Now the other thing is your username. This is your username, administrator. Then for the password, you have to create the password with that file that we downloaded. So just click on get password and it will take you to this page in which you upload your file, that PEM file. So search for that PEM file you downloaded and upload it. Okay, that is the file. So click on it and click on open and it will be uploaded. So scroll down and click on decrypt password. That is it, decrypt password. Click on it and our password will be formed. So click on it. Okay, you can see there down there, that is our password. So we have our IP address, our username and our password ready. So it's time to log it in first on our mobile phone. Just go to your mobile phone and download RDP client, then open it. After installing the app, you click on it and you click on that plus button down there. On Android phone, the plus button will be up or somewhere else. Just click on the plus button and click on add PC. Then put your PC name, which is your public DNS. So put your public DNS. After putting your public DNS, you click on that add user account. So click on add user account and add new account, that is add user account, and then put your username, which is administrator, and then the password, which is this. Copy the password and paste it there. So after doing that, you click save. After adding user account, you scroll down and put on the microphone, the camera, the storage and the keyboard. Put them on and then you click save. You click save and click on that icon, then never ask again and connect. You still have to put your password and username here, then continue. Never ask again, connect. Okay, wait for some minutes and let's see. Boom, our user VPS is ready. So we have our VPS ready. Okay, you can see it looks exactly like the PC. So you can install your MT5 or your MT4 or your Forex robot. Okay, we are done with that. Let's install it on our PC and see how it goes. So on your PC, you search on remote desktop control. Just search on remote desktop and it will pop up remote desktop. Okay, it's out already. Click on remote desktop connection, open it, then add your computer is the IP address. Add that public DNS in your computer, then your username is administrator, then your password as well. Then after doing that, it will automatically connect you to the client. So you can also operate it on your PC and as well operate it on your mobile phone. So this is how you can create a visual private server. Thank you for viewing my video till the end. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's a new account. So if you can help me grow it up, I would really appreciate.